Just so dang, bro. Real too. This roof branding is a new thing.
I don't send it. I don't send it. Because it's a money you want to get. I'm going to pay Edna 13 million. 13 million. 760,000. How many days in a day? Oh, you may go and say, I go for Sunara. I don't get that. I don't get that. So the thing will frustrate me. If you don't promise, you say, I send you to send. If you tell me, say, you sing card, we at the same moment. You don't lose. You don't say you send that money for me, thank you. But that SIM card you can send, I don't know. After we take and send the money, the man don't almost process the money. The man don't say they call the people for see if there's no sender it. If you say there's sender, I don't get nothing for you. I don't go buy the same SIM card, and I change and put the same SIM card for my sender. So you don't see my money number, I don't send my money number to the man. So if you have to process our money number, because one second, you hope that our possibility. Especially the donation once and for all. I didn't work. Because we don't need that. So, I'm very spiritual, I concentrate on myself and I know what to do. Very spiritual. Actually, they don't ask me today, no. And when don't give me the number, maybe it's to say that my other things can be there. We don't say what to do, so then say, I'm emergency.